It is the possibility of having a dream come true that makes life interesting. Paulo Coelho. Asterisk. In the city of Gujranwala there are more bridges and underpasses than there are traffic lights. The city has both bypasses and overhead flyovers, yet the traffic moves here like the tangled knots of a thread. Crawling through the tide of vehicles, we finally arrive at Gujranwala Golf Club. Tucked away from the GT Road, it sits on the southeastern curve of the beautiful Gujranwala cantonment. Golf aside, I often head over to this golf club to meet my childhood friends, walking on home ground in the company of old buddies and savoring the charm of being in the barbecue capital, makes the trip all the more worthwhile. Asterisk. 3 cypress trees on the 8th fairway are another beautiful attraction of this course. The cypress adorns many gardens. Poets liken it to a willowy sweetheart. This evergreen beauty pays no heed to weather changes, and stands tall like an arrogant, curvy blonde. Waris Shah, the famous Sufi poet, mentions the cypress in his story here. Who am I to interpret such a rich ode, written in honor of such a legendary, affectionate character? Why I am in love with those cypress triplets is hard to fathom. Yet I am proud of my affection for them. There are certain spots, some moments, a few faces, and a few thoughts that we only see with the eye of our heart. They make us feel calm and peaceful. There can be no obvious, logical reason, but we can undoubtedly feel an invisible attraction towards them. I found myself roomy. I was raised in Gujranwala. I saw many dreams and wove together some daydreams there, and fulfilled many of them. Wherever I've been, this city has always gone with me. And believe me, I've been around. In those days I strolled through its streets as a learner, as a dreamer, and as a struggler. Today I walk its path fulfilled, grateful, and satisfied. My grandparents, my mother, my daughter, my teachers, my friends who are no longer with me, who helped me become successful, may they rest in peace. They live no more, but through their creation, I am blessed and enjoying my life. God bless us all.